Hello, hello, hello. Another Sunday morning, and this will be the last video of our series on DIY motion detection. So, hope all of you are doing well and visit me at zenofall.com. This tutorial will be up there and it will also be on YouTube. And follow me on social media, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Thanks for all the support that you have shown me. If I have not said that enough times, I really appreciate the support you have shown me. So, okay, enough about the plug and self promotion. Let's get to it. So, what are we going to do today? We are going to create our final scripts, the Python scripts, which will text us and which will also send us the video in our email. So, for that, first you need Google Voice. Log into your Google Voice. Send the text to a number. So, hopefully, this will be your cell phone, and just use your Google Voice, register your cell phone, use your Google Voice and send a text to your own phone. And you'll see in a minute what happens. Like when you send a text to your own phone, then you have to go to your email, and let's just wait for that. So again, I'm doing a voiceover. I've already recorded the video, and I just feel this is like a better way since it gives me more control. So here I'm texting myself, my cell phone, and once I've texted my cell phone, I'll text back from my cell phone, and that is a very important step. You have to text back your Google Voice number from your cell phone, and what will happen then is we will go to the Gmail. Once we have received this text, we'll go back to our Gmail, and we can see this text. And what this does for us is it creates this nice email for us. Google creates this nice email with some encryption key in the back, which we can now use to just text via email. So next time you can just email this uh, email string, and you will receive it as a text on your phone. So that will be a neat trick that we are going to use in just a moment, because our script is actually going to text this email or email this email that was created, and it will go as a text to our phone. So anyway, one more step that we need to do is actually disable secure application on the Google, or let secure applications have access to our Gmail account. And this is important because we are going to use a Python script to email using this account. So I would highly recommend that you just create a new Gmail account and register your phone number on that. And then you can use this as your Raspberry Pi motion detection Gmail account. So you can just text yourself using this account. Then we are going to use two Python scripts, right? The sms.py and movie.py. And we need to set these scripts up with your email. So just open these scripts up. These will be on the GitHub, and I'll just publish them and provide a link in my website. Again, the website is zenofall.com. Please do visit the website if you want the scripts. So yeah, there you go. Like just we're just going to write the email there, from address to address. So your from address and your to address can be the same, because you might just be sending the text and the clip to yourself or your spouse. So the to address, you can put a list in there. So for the SMS script, what I do is I send the SMS to my email as well as to my phone number. So I just copied that email string that was created by Google Voice in the to address, and just you will need your password because you're going to log in with this script onto your Gmail. And then this script just acts like a email client. Basically, it sends an automated text to any email that you specify using your account. So that's the whole point of this script, and we are going to just kick off this script from within our Raspberry Pi, and it's just going to do its thing and send the email out. So just set it up. It's pretty self-explanatory. I have left comments in there. So you have a from address, which will also be your username. you need a password for that, and then you'll have two addresses. That could be your email, any other email that you want, your friend's email, your wife's email, whoever you want the message to go to when the motion is detected. That is, if you're actually using this for security. So okay, so that's it. That was very simple. Now what we're going to do is upload these scripts to our Raspberry Pi using uh, WinSCP, and I'll show that in just a minute. So just start your Raspberry Pi, log in using VNC like I had showed you, and create a new folder called Pi scripts. And then start WinSCP and transfer the two scripts into this folder, Pi scripts. And then we'll configure as the last step the motion.conf file. So I've used some branding again just to remind you guys that Zenofall.com is where all the DIY projects reside. So now we're just going to say like mkdir pi scripts, just create our folder, transfer our scripts in there. I have already done that here, so I'll just copy over my scripts into the pi scripts folder, and that's what I'm showing there. And that's it. So the scripts are on your Raspberry Pi now. Now you just have to point your motion config file to the scripts, and this is fairly simple. You remember last time when we did the motion configuration or the motion config file, we just skipped over this section which actually said that we are going to use this for scripts, right? So today we are going to configure that, and let's see how we do that. So again, the motion config resides in /user/local/etc/motion/motion.conf, and then we are going to use it using our favorite GUI editor called LeafPad. And in a moment you'll see that I open it on the video, and then scroll down. So here's our editor, and I scroll down to the script section. I believe it took me a while to scroll down because I was scrolling really fast. And I scroll down, scroll up, scroll down, scroll up, scroll down, scroll up. Oh, I'm so confused. And I finally find it, I promise you guys. So there's the script section, and there's like three things on there, which is on event start, that is when the motion is detected, what to do. And there is when the motion ends, what to do. And then there is on the movie end, what to do. So we are only going to use two of these, that is on motion detected, what to do. So that's on the event start. So on the event start, we are going to send ourselves a text, and on the end of the recording of the movie, that is when the file is fully recorded, we are going to send the movie to our email. And we need one more parameter in there, that is the %f, and at the end of the movie.py, that means that we are just going to give the movie.py an argument that this is the file name which you need to text, right? And that's all that is. So make sure you don't forget to write it the way I have written it, that is on event start you have to say Python 3, because Python is actually going to kick off. Python is the engine which runs the script, to say, or like Python is the language and the interpreter. So Python will be kicking off the script. So on the event end we say Python 3, which is the version of Python, and then give it the file name, right? So now that we have configured this, we can just test this out, you know, right? Just kick off your motion and see what happens. And in a bit you'll see that I show you how to you'll see that like we get the text on our Gmail, and then in the on the website on zenofall.com, I'll also upload a picture of my phone to show you that the text actually comes through. And that's about it, guys. Like I'll just show you the picture on I'll just show you the screenshot, because again I'm recording my computer screen here and I'm not really recording myself, so you couldn't see the live text coming through, but trust me guys, it works. I have also made a video, so there's the text coming in, and then the video file just takes a little bit, because remember, the video file is recording for like a few seconds till the motion is over, and it takes 2 more seconds. That's the way we have set it, like after the motion is done, and then the file has to process, and then it gets sent, right? So now you can see the file was created. I'm just checking it on WinSCP whether the file was created. So the file is created right there, and in just a minute you are going to be able to see that the file just arrives in our, oh, there you go, the video file just arrived in our inbox. So that's about it, guys. Like, hope you enjoyed this whole series of DIY of doing the whole motion camera thing, and now you'll be able to have like a full-fledged system which like alerts you when the motion is detected and also sends you a clip of that motion. How cool is that? And we all did this on, again, zenofall.com. That's where all the tutorials are. If you want to give this to your kid, let him figure it out, him or her figure it out, that's a great place to be. Anyway, see you next time, guys. Thank you, and visit me at zenofall.com. Can't say that enough. Thanks for the love. Bye.